In his last fight against vaNz, we put a lot of pressure on him. He fought off his back foot really well, countered great, but was able to hurt vaNz over and over again, eventually getting a stoppage. Sultan's a different guy, though.
They really traded there, but it was Sultan that made the most noise.
I think it's the awkwardness, the southpaw style and stance of Sultan where he's able to land those kind of types of shots. Because for the most part, Caraballo has the cleaner, sharper punches.
And the awkwardness of the orthodox and southpaw lends itself to knockdowns.
Big left hand over the top for Caraballo.
Right hand gets through by Jonas.
And he set that one up with the jab. Haven't seen a whole lot of jabs from him thus far.
Combination, 1-2, nicely done by Sultan. Final seconds of the round. Sultan missing, Caraballo scoring and getting out of trouble. Sultan combination, oh, that's a great move by Caraballo. Now Sultan putting some punches to work in that corner. Sultan lost his footing.
Yeah, a little dip in the leg down. It was one of those shots down high in the head, or just...
Oh, down goes
jumawAn.
Third fight, and it was a good right. Four knockdowns in the fight, 3 by Sultan.
You cannot count Sultan out. This guy is dangerous at any moment.
Caraballo rebounds nicely for each of the knockdowns.
Yeah, his legs look good. He moves well. His eyes are sharp.
He almost caught Sultan.
Good feint there from Caraballo to get that first big swing from Sultan out.
Nice movement. Short right hand, got through.
Sultan's loading up a little bit too much. Hasn't been able to capitalize on that knockdown.
Sultan, left hook, got through.
And Sultan's ready to pull that trigger on the right hand. Got that thing loaded up top.
He really does. He loads up. There's another right hand. Follows him with the left hook. Sultan continues to score.
Here we see a replay of that knockdown, and it was just a perfectly timed, beautiful straight right hand down the middle. Followed the jab.
It's a straight right, but it's a short right. And I think in this kind of fight, you almost saw Caraballo score with a short hook before.
Yeah.
Just throw it.
Generally, in all these combinations, the guy who throws shorter punches wins.
Knockdown here. He had an opportunity there. He tried to knock him out of the whole arena that last punch.
Oh. Great round for Caraballo.
A lot of damage in the last round, though. He had something going back to the corner buzz.
And Sultan has been there so many times before. 17-5 as a pro, 30 years of age, has had a world championship fight. Respect, Chris Algieri, glad you're with us tonight here at the Hulu Theater at Madison Square Garden.
What an incredible fight this is shaping up to be.
Can Caraballo follow up on what he did in the 7th round?
He did a lot of good work last round. Surprised Sultan actually didn't go down with Caraballo's left hand coming in.
Caraballo got through with a straight left. Sultan has slowed down a little bit.
He's been working hard all night for Caraballo. Caraballo's looking very comfortable. Fantastic condition.
Sultan knocks him Down again. Sultan again showing us power out of nowhere.
Out of nowhere. Every time Caraballo starts getting a groove, he gets clipped and goes down.
What a big time to come up with a knockdown. His fourth of the bout.
But once again, Caraballo looks sharp. His eyes look good. His legs look good. His recovery from these knockdowns has been nothing short of incredible.
And you can see Sultan all of a sudden getting back into the groove. Doesn't take much, like you say, one punch.
I believe that one was a short left hand. Like I said, when Sultan shortens up those shots, he's very dangerous.
Still a lot of time left in this ninth round. Sultan fires away with the right hand. Caraballo, smart move. Fired the left off the movement.
Caraballo has recovered, but he's not at the same confidence level he was at the beginning of this round when he was starting to break Sultan down.
Oh! Sultan gets through the left, the short left combination. I mean, Sultan's chin in this fight has been extraordinary because he has had 4 knockdowns and
yeah. Here's a replay of that shot. It's a short left hand over the top from Sultan. He throws the right hand and it comes right over the top. Short shot got on the inside of the jab of Caraballo. Puts him right in.
Sultan ahead by a lot of points. So Caraballo, even though he's shown some great stuff this fight, probably needs a knockout.
Oh, I said earlier, it's hard to win a 10-round fight when you've been knocked down 3 times. How about getting knocked down 4 times?
No question. I think he's earned respect, though.
Oh, absolutely.
And he's still working.
No, Caraballo is definitely not conceded. He's trying to win this fight. He wants the knockout. I believe he's going to go for it in this round.
Sultan does some lunging, but he also does some scoring as he does so. And that right just got through again. Short left hook.
Tricky, explosive guy is Sultan. He's had a great game plan tonight. He's in phenomenal shape. His chin is nothing short of a miracle.
Right hand Sultan got through again. Straight left. That's been murderous for Caraballo. Unfortunately, he's up against the brick wall tonight when he throws it.
That was a perfect top shot. And Sultan ate it. In the fighter meetings yesterday, Sultan said that he wanted a war. Well, he got it.
Caraballo with a combination, trying everything he can to knock out his opponent.
And they are still throwing bombs in round number 10.
Caraballo comes off the ropes again, chops away at the body.
Incredible conditioning from these two. Big wild swing and a miss there from Sultan. He needs to be careful. Those are the opportunities that Caraballo has been capitalizing on.
Back to the body goes Sultan. Sultan scoring. Final seconds of the bout. And what a bout it's been! Tremendous war. That is it.
What a fight.
What competition. 4 knockdowns for Sultan. 1 for Caraballo. Caraballo in a couple rounds, he could have had at least another one in there.
At times it looked like Caraballo was going to stop Sultan. With the amount of left hands that he was landing, he had Sultan hurt several times. It's going to be a very interesting scorecard.
There were so many power punches thrown in this fight. 500 between the two of them. That's incredible.
Incredible. over 500 power punches thrown, 5 knockdowns between the two of them. Non-stop action from the opening bell.
I think that was the punch that put the fight away. It was in the ninth. It was a short, crisp left hand. And after Caraballo had made such effort to get back in the fight.
Exactly.
It could be 6 or 7 points. Although it could be anywhere from 5 to 7 points. Although it really was closer than that.
Yes. It was a close fight. The knockdowns make it scoring very, very interesting.
Look at that. Both sides with the embrace and the respect and the dignity. This guy was something.
Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause. After 10 rounds here inside the Hulu Theater, we go to the judges' scorecards for the official decision. Kevin Morgan, Tony Paolillo, and Wales Sultan all scored the bout 94-93 for your winner by unanimous decision. And now the WBO Intercontinental Bantamweight Champion, Jonas!
A lot closer than we had it.
Yes. Oh, I mean, I had it close at 95-91, but I believe you had it wider than that.
I did. I had it by 6 points. But again, that's factoring in that you're giving a 2-point differential for the knockdown, and maybe you have to weigh into the fact that he's throwing power punches and the other guy's not going down at some point.
Right. Yeah, like I said, in rounds is one thing, but those knockdowns score a lot of points. They really sway the victory, as we can see. I mean, but this fight from the opening bell was just pure fireworks. I expected a lot from this fight. This blew me away. Incredibly sharp, hard punching from both guys. Tons of drama.
And I think in a loss, Caraballo gained a lot.
I think so too. I think he showed that he can dig deep. He has it in him. You know, it just wasn't his night tonight. And he had someone in front of him, like you said, Bruce. He just, his chin was incredible. It was like the third man in the ring. That thing was tough. But fantastic performance of both men. And I think Caraballo's going to be back.
This is the 6th round knockdown by Sultan. Again, a short right. 8th round, we thought Caraballo was just terrific.
Yeah, the left hand could not miss in those rounds.
So maybe the judges gave him more points there. Here's the short left by Sultan in the 9th. That leads to another knockdown. Really a 2-punch combination there, wasn't it?